Hello everyone, this is NaturalHY, aka Dr. NaturalHY, back with another video. Today's video, I will be sharing with you how I achieve this gorgeous pipe cleaner curls on my daughter's DIY Microlocks. My daughter has been locked for approximately 1 year and 6 months, and her hair is almost fully locked, so now I am able to experiment with her hair with different styles, and this one turned out absolutely gorgeous. She wore this style for her daddy-daughter dance, and it was an absolute hit. These curls last for weeks, and she has had those curls. It's time for wash day, so it's been like 3 weeks. The curls are still in her hair, and I will include a clip to show how well the curls still look in present day. But before we get into the video, I want to introduce you all to a jewelry company by the name of Louisa. Yes, today's video is brought to you by Louisa. So Louisa is a jewelry company that crafts high quality, sustainable jewelry at a very affordable price. Pieces starting at $39, which is unheard of for super high quality fine jewelry. We all know the price of fine jewelry and gold in general is on the rise. So to have really nice, sustainable, versatile gold jewelry is always a plus. Louisa Jewelry Company is also carbon neutral from the products to the packaging. First of all, I want to just brag about the packaging. I was highly impressed with every little pouch that the jewelry came in. So cute, and it's great for travel to protect your jewelry. So when navigating the site, it was so hard to choose what jewelry I wanted for myself because every piece I could see myself wearing. I am a type of girl who, especially now that I'm in my 30s, I like to wear more understated, dainty jewelry that I can wear for every day. So a lot of the jewelry really just hit home for me. So that was why it was so hard for me to choose which pieces I wanted for myself. But right now I have on these mother of pearl small hoop earrings. So cute, so dainty. Most of the jewelry I wear in my ears are like these, and it is perfect for every day, going to work, casual wear, you name it. So that is why I chose this piece. I also paired it today with, I believe this is the puffed heart necklace. I will include a clip of the name on the side here. Both of these pieces are 14 karat gold set on brass, and they are absolutely gorgeous. I think this necklace I might have to buy an extender for, but even at this length, I think it is still gorgeous. I may just give this to my daughter, which this would be an amazing gift for a friend or a child. I think it's so cute. So I also have the big hoop earrings, or the Jolene hoop earrings, which in my other videos, I always talk about how growing up, I was always a roundaway girl. I always wore these big, huge hoop earrings. And I feel like that was a more appropriate style for me at my younger age. But now that I'm older, I still love hoop earrings. So having these in a more age-appropriate size, I think it would be perfect for casual wear. So yes, you guys, this video is sponsored by Louisa. I am so excited to be partnering with them. Their jewelry is phenomenal, carbon neutral, great for the planet, sustainable, fine jewelry. You cannot beat that. Please check the description box. There's a link below to save 20%. And I will put my coupon code on the screen, 20% on your next purchase from Louisa. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So this video is me installing pipe cleaner curls for my daughter for her daddy-daughter dance. I'm not gonna be doing a lot of talking in the video. It's just gonna be pure demonstration. Really simple, easy to do. You just wet the hair, use your styling foam, spray, setting product of your choice. I set her on the dryer for like 15 minutes when I put them in, and I allowed her to wear the pipe cleaners for 24 hours before taking them out. So stay tuned. So by the time this video uploads, the Valentine's Day sale would have already been over, but that is okay. That sale was buy one, get one, 50% off, which is really good. But that's okay. I have a coupon code, and I will put my coupon here on the screen to help you save 20%. Also in the description box, you will find the link as well as my coupon code. So check Ana Luisa out. Be sure to check out Ana Luisa as well as follow them on Instagram for future promotions. Thanks for watching.